Hello, it's Dave at Lighter Home again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a slightly stronger connection to your ceiling for your ceiling fan using the Fantasia big strip fastener. Obviously there are lots of different sizes of ceiling fan available on the market, some of them large, some of them small. And if we have a little look at, say, the Fantasia Capri fan without a light, we can see that it weighs about 5 kilos approximately, which isn't bad for a ceiling fan. That's quite light. But if we go and look at, say, a bigger model of fan, say such as the Fantasia Viper fan, we can see that weighs more like 9.1 kilos, which is quite heavy for a ceiling fan, particularly on a normal ceiling. So sometimes you need a bit of extra support. Now obviously there are lots of different sizes and shapes of ceiling fan available and lots of different weights. So in this instance, maybe something like the Fantasia big strip fastener would be good to use to add that little bit of extra support. A ceiling fan is usually attached to the ceiling with a fixing bracket. Now this is a standard fixing bracket off one of our Fantasia ceiling fans. Basically it attaches to the ceiling in that way, flush to the ceiling, and as you can see there are a couple of screw holes here and here. Now the idea being you want to fix that into a joist in your ceiling to give you support. But sometimes if it's a heavy ceiling fan you might want to add a bit of additional support, and that's where the Fantasia big strip fastener might come in. So if I pop that down there like that. Now this is the Fantasia big strip fastener. Not necessarily that big, but it does provide a good job. If you basically screw that to the supporting joist, there are plenty of holes there, so you can put as many screws in as you want. That gives you that additional support, and then obviously the fan's fixing bracket can be fitted over those two threaded bars, like so, and the appropriate screws you get in the pack can be screwed up those threaded bolts like that, and that will give you a much stronger support than just the original two screws that you would have used. So just to recap, the bracket gets screwed into the joist with more than two screws going along the lengthways of the joist, giving you that extra support, and then the bracket attaches to that. The Fantasia big strip fastener can be used with all types of fixing brackets from all ceiling fans. So if you're worried about the weight of your ceiling fan and you want that little bit of additional support on the ceiling, then consider something like the Fantasia big strip fastener. It will also eliminate extra wobble as well from your ceiling fan, and you'll find it available on our website www.lighterhome.net. If you found this video useful, then please also like it. Thank you.